I will be using Aloe Vera Pimple Patch on my forehead overnight for 7 days to see if it helps in removing this scar and fading away the pimple or not. Hi guys, how are you all? Say hi to my friend. I'm waiting. I know that was a bad joke, but I was talking about the pimple I have on my forehead. Not one, they are friends, like they are twins. I'm gonna show you right here, but also it is gonna be very beneficial for me. I was looking forward to have them actually because there is an experiment I wanted to carry out since a very long time. Now I am gonna be using a pimple patch and overnight I'll be using it and I want to see if I can get rid of them. Now it is not gonna be any ordinary patch. I am going to make an aloe vera patch, stick it overnight and see how it works out. Let's see how to make it. All you need to do is take a very thin slice of aloe vera leaf. Make sure your hands are pretty clean because it might cause infection later. And after that, paste it on a tape. This is a white tape. It sticks on your skin very nicely. You have to leave it overnight, so make sure that it's firm. Leave it overnight. So guys, this is how I look in the morning. My face is blotted. I look like a monkey. Anyways, coming to the point. So I have left this overnight on my face. Now you are not gonna have any problem. It is gonna stay put. It won't come off. But it is gonna be worth it only if this works. So coming to the final point now. It is not gonna cause any problem overnight. It is going to stay intact. So the tape has worked really nicely and I had high expectation. The pimple is still here as you guys can see. So guys, I think that it has really worked overnight. The swelling has gone down. It's not hurting that bad anymore. I won't say that it has worked 100%, but I'm really happy with the results. It has. So guys, this was the same day. I made the pimple patch, applied on my forehead. I make sure that I clean my face thoroughly, but I do not apply moisturizer on my forehead. Now I want to introduce you guys to this product, which is Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer by Mama Earth. It helps in hydrating your skin. It is not going to make your skin sticky at all. And if you guys use my code RITU2021, you guys gonna get extra 20% off. Now I am going to take a little, apply it all over my face. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, turmeric extract and gotu kola extract, which helps in making your skin illuminated. It is going to hydrate your skin, make it so plumpy and glowy without making it feel sticky. Mama Earth is a plastic positive brand, no animal testing, made in India and no harmful chemicals. So hi guys, good morning. This is the another day and the only thing which I noticed in the morning was this tape was a little off and it might be because of the hair I have on the eyebrows. I have thick eyebrows and short, as you guys can have a look. Now I am just gonna be removing it and let's see how much it has healed overnight. Gradually guys, I was noticing that the scar was going away and the pimple was definitely healing. So I will be doing the same thing again tonight and let's see how it performs. And the next day guys, the scar was little bit there but the pimple was healed. So guys, we have came to the end of this experiment and I'm so excited. I am very excited to share this news with you guys. You can have a look at my face. You can have a look on my forehead. The pimple is gone. Yes, it helps in reducing the inflammation. It helps in taking the scar away, which is very important. Also, the pros are going to be so easy to make, super cheap, readily available around, and it gives you the desired results in the end. The only con which I feel is that you might feel little uncomfortable leaving on your forehead overnight and sleeping with it. Otherwise, it has really worked great for me. You guys must give it a try. I have shown you how to make it. And this was all for this video, guys. I really hope that you find it helpful. Also, I'll show you the close-up of my forehead right now. That there is no scar, nothing. The pimple is gone. It miraculously just disappeared on day 7, which I absolutely loved because I thought that experiment was going to fail. And yeah guys, this is it. I will see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.